This huge gift show in Philadelphia attracts thousands of buyers from around the world, and many of them were browsing the eye-catching garden and home decor on display at Zaire International Limited, a growing specialty wholesaler and online retailer.
The product has to be quality product and needs to be interesting product. When the people come in our showrooms, right, their eyes, it's lighting up because of see there's something new all the time.
The leadership team at Zaire International Limited understands that innovation, quality, and strategic relationships are critical to its success. Located some 25 miles north of Philadelphia, the company designs, manufactures, and sells high-quality proprietary decorative products, primarily for outdoor display. The Zaire logo graces a wide range of outdoor and indoor decor in different styles that customers are eager to buy.
Whenever you have unique items and different items, you will have the higher profit.
All products are designed in-house and then sent to one of the company's many Asia-based contract manufacturers for prototypes and final production. Shipping containers of the Zaire branded and labeled products are unloaded and stored in the company's new warehouse. A robust inventory enabled Zaire to outperform competitors on product availability and delivery.
Our warehouse space increased, and right away the business started growing fast. Our sale increased more than 30%.
Zaire products are sold in small garden and gift retailers and in large outlets such as Walmart, Amazon, the Home Depot, eBay, Home Goods, QVC, Overstock, and many others. Geographically, Zaire sells to customers in every state and in 7 other countries. And the company is expanding direct-to-consumer sales through its 2 e-commerce websites, Lacera.com and ZazaStores.com. A cornerstone to Zaire's growth is linking its brand to superior products. The company has identified expansion opportunities such as sharpening its dropship process, enhancing digital marketing, acquiring new marketplace partnerships, and assembling a sales team. Year-over-year growth in 2022 is on track to increase more than 39%, and Zaire is well-positioned to continue its success.
And you need the quality, good product so that your customer who buys this product will be proud many years to keep this product in a yard.